Minim sa asem we NDC for ebe dwalai papa. Omanga so mo founder eye Jerry John Rawlings aba bonten de assembly abetudwa. Wo se won no pa JJ Rawlings die. Ha, Ekufuado wo bu Ekufuado papa, ne Ekufuado ye nipa. He, Ekufuado ye nipa dodo. Anse ne beto aso no de subscribe na click the notification bell so we hear the latest news bi aba won sa ebeka. Etiefo Send America no JJ Rawlings say Ghana yenda nyame ase say wo bi ti say Ekufuado Nyankopon eyi na mayen as president. We say Ghanaians should be fortunate. I say Ghana is fortunate to have Nana Addo as president under the current government. Just say Ghana yenya papa. Ye was de bia yemfa ma Nyankopon say Nana Addo wa ba bedane president e wo Ghana ha say. Now according to him no, the president's values and principles they stand out. Just say Ekufuado just say ninsem enyama bia ni rules and the values be say me wo born ne bra enyama bia wo gidi no. Just say Ghana has say wo bi ani wa wo kita sa enyama ni bi. But say one no Rawlings or admire President Ekufuado ne attributes pa wo admire the attributes. Now what say was sorry on no Rawlings say yo to say NDC for can say who Rawlings try say who there who support Ekufuado Mahama ne atame also no ye hu there wo ye Ekufuado buy but ni crazy a won gasa na try say Rawlings indirectly no who support Ekufuado e no say that bio but no Rawlings there the fact say Ekufuado what MPP ne there ne try say ebia say ni say nkrofo fi say no Rawlings the see Ekufuado ye na down for pan wo say that bi and they say Ekufuado ye na down for pan and they say Ekufuado better than the president who be na down for pan o see enya sa na tie na de tie ne say no Rawlings no we humu what's the first na Rawlings o die Ekufuado atemie time na atamios mo no na Rawlings die Ekufuado atemie but sisi ano we humu ama wa ba benim Ekufuado na nipa kra we hu Ekufuado like nipa kwa wa ba benim no wa respect no ehu no say first na me di na tene de na me nim de meye. Now we no and our pledging the commitment to supporting Ekufuado with prayers to ensure say any daso hu say we person will fight corruption no Ekufuado be na we fight corruption e wo Ghana. That is say on no Rawlings no was supporting Ekufuado with prayers. Say senior corruption e koso e wo Ghana no Ekufuado will fight the corruption that is going on in this country. His vision to fight corruption no he Rawlings is supporting him with prayers to attain that vision. Therefore, in some of the two in particular, and you are saying, we are very fortunate also that somebody like Nana Ekufuado has emerged over here. People think I like that man to high heavens. No. What's in Brofo say no Rawlings or Ekufuado asema kosi chese Nyankopon wenim kra wose da bi enya sa na ti. But I respect him for certain values and principles. When you say Rawlings, they will you be a principle man. Will you be a hey men you say men yet because of the soldier background you know. It was say was share Ekufuado values and principles be what didn't know you ask him will Ekufuado papa. And I will continue to pray and I sincerely hope that he stays the track and he will devote possibly even 30% of his time, 70% for the development project, etc. But at least 25 to 30%, he would probably need more than that to fight corruption on corruptible tendencies. What's the one that will buy Ekufuado? Say, oh, there, we use 30% of the time, keke, and Konkatashene proye ewo Ghana. Nankayenya yebehu senya Ghana be krabeshe. Now 70% of the time no one fan share a year input to Juma. Not as a Rawlings say ma Ekufuado upon no. So 70% of the time one fan input Juma 2020 way. Not 30% of the time no one fan share corruption cases in the country. Now for the say this is not the only time NDC need penny be about bonti here the can say be say Ekufuado who. NDC for one former first national vice chairperson a friend of Anita Disoso. Semunya mo kaina Anita Disoso. Anita Disoso nso ebe kan sen bi fe Akufo-Addo ho. Anita Disoso so go no oye NDC ni ba ne kre wo ho a e wo se wo kan. Wo se wo hwe Akufo-Addo odo a wo wo ema Ghana fo no wo. Wo no Anita Disoso no won ti ase. But President has shown that Akufo-Addo has demonstrated love for his people. Any ebisa say Anita Disoso asema working e den Akufo-Addo aya wo trese trese wa tredo ama Ghana for. And also mukaya 2012 election after election ye court and sensem no ruling by no MPP for penny 4 years say wo mo be the review of Supreme Court ruling e wo MPP for headquarters na wo mo ye review ni wi a wo mo san so the assembly be ko appeal. Not just a senior election petition ye chain over 8 months no na MPP for your just say wo mo san so e the assembly e be ko a higher court which is an international court, higher court for appeal. But Akufo-Addo sha sign them no 8 months of election petition na Ghana ye slow because now Akwa said John Dramani Mahama was president or your president be because assembly still were court for 8 good months. Yes, also yes, you the name kwa e be frustrating. It was say Akufo-Addo catch one no Anita Disoso ne say sa review na MPP 4% one no Akufo-Addo ba no mo be appeal no Akufo-Addo won ko. Onim say MPP 4 wo mo bedwa but no Akufo-Addo won ko. Anita Disoso say sa asem na Akufo-Addo catch no. Ne kre Akufo-Addo anko and not just say Akufo-Addo or what tima ene wodo ema ne nkrofo because obia na ko be ko not just say Ghana still ruling na ye bibia wo ho not just say Ghana ye slow still but say odo Akufo-Addo human ne man Ghana no say chale 8 months a year is okay tension about Ghana too much a year my men got na me baby na Mahama no onye the president emrepemu no Nyankopon so be ma men so abe president and that me no ka say Akufo-Addo currently we president of the country no and no any sama Anita Disoso so wakan etiefo senya me din kan e kan no especially from JJ Rawlings ne sama waka no NDC for be rough NDC for be rough because I don't remember the last time a Rawlings bar bontin and Wobeka Sempafa NDC for ho. Now say anytime a Rawlings bar bontin bia wo blast NDC for wo leaders ni blast omo. Even Kelvin Taylor we ye video asema wo kan say senior na first pan Rawlings wo blast NDC for go fusu say Akufo-Addo ye no was say Rawlings be blasting no but no Rawlings ba bontin was say Akufo-Addo one no Rawlings was supporting Akufo-Addo with prayers. Hey Rawlings obeba nkrofo ebilidi NDC for bleedy. Now I want to read some comments from some NDC people for you. Now who they say adena yomo yapa we be say traitor Rawlings. Not to say Rawlings you be you can say traitor e wo twi mu traitor to say traitor okay once the Judas and the year Jesus no wo ka brofo and any traitor no it is say na obe friend wo twi mu no wo bia we yi obi ama to say Rawlings yi obi ama and any asema NDC ni bi kan wo say this Rawlings man wanted his modern day Jezebel Nana Konadu to remove Atamils. And ever since NDC delegates gave his wife 3%, Rawlings and his wife and working around the clock to collapse NDC. The Nipaku can say, Embra Atamils ewo hono Rawlings no percent a year to Atamils, but Rawlings year in at 3% bet. Ever since then, Rawlings and the year aye juma se wo mbeku NDC and only asema will be aircam. We be say timely intervention. I say I respect Akufo-Addo for his values, principles. Nana is not only great, but well experienced to lead Ghana. I salute JJ for his maturity. And only asema will be aircam. We also say birds of the same feathers flock together. both of you are most useless criminal government ever. To people say, if I couldn't hear this in the Ashino, if I couldn't hear this in the Ashino, was it a good for the Rollins? One more governance, no, a most criminal ever. Womu kumkum in Crawford. Eleni Asama will be air can. It's here for one time. I comment box. When I say.